Hello everyone, welcome to today's skincare video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a K-beauty routine to calm and repair the skin. There are a few steps, so this is more a self-care than a self-maintenance day. The products in this routine have been carefully selected based on some of the key ingredients in the formulas that I like, such as Snail, Honey, Centella, and Aloe. I start with the MIZON Snail Repairing Foam Cleanser. The MIZON cleanser is thick and stringy and is meant to foam up. When deciding on a cleanser and if it's right for you, think about how well it cleans and removes dirt, makeup, sunscreen, or any other impurities on the skin, as well as if it clears your pores and has a low pH number. This cleanser deep cleans, is gentle, and doesn't strip the skin. It is suitable for combination to oily skin. Snail mucin is rich in protein and glycolic acid to help reduce the appearance of wrinkles while helping boost skin's firmness and elasticity. Combining lightly exfoliating papaya extract with antioxidant-rich green tea, it's good for pore care and exfoliation, removes excess sebum and dead skin cells, and purifies. It leaves skin filled with moisture after cleansing. The only problem with this cleanser is that it has a pH of 8, which is very high. However, I don't mind because this product is so cheap and effective, and I just make sure not to use it all the time. Next, I apply the I'm From Honey Mask. It has 38.7% natural honey from Mount Juri in South Korea. Honey is a nourishing ingredient with antioxidant and antibacterial properties that help heal wounds and form a barrier on the skin to soothe and protect. Honey is also incredibly moisturizing, and the amount in this mask gives skin a deep treatment to increase suppleness and elasticity. My skin feels bouncy and smooth after I use it. The mask also effectively removes whiteheads and provides exfoliation to get clear complexion. There is also propolis rich in vitamins, minerals, and amino acids, bentonite to remove impurities, nourish and replenish elasticity, and hazelnut oil to tighten pores. The mask has a soft cream texture, smells absolutely delicious, and has a moist, comfortable finish without any stickiness. It doesn't feel like anything is on my face, and it washes off easily without leaving any residue. I like when I add a mask to my routine because sometimes I like and I need to slow down and pause. Normally my skincare takes me less than 5 minutes, but when I put a mask on, I now tap into the self-care aspect rather than just skin maintenance, spending an extra 15 minutes to get my skin and mind aligned. For my mask moment today, I just spent time on my phone reading messages and watching YouTube videos. After I wash the mask off, I go in with the Pyunkang Essence Toner. Before I start applying my other products, I use this toner to create the environment that will maximize my skincare. The toner contains 93% milk-fed fruit extract loaded with betaine that gently helps hydrate skin and maintain moisture, as well as its anti-aging benefits of preventing wrinkles. There are also antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and nutrient-boosting properties of the root extract. The toner absorbs into the skin easily, leaving it intensely hydrated, feeling smooth, and looking healthy. This is a good product for sensitive skin because of the minimal ingredient list. There are only 7 ingredients in the formula, and they are all plant-based with medicinal benefits. Next, I use the Purito Centella Green Level Buffet Serum. I have been reaching for it daily because of the simple ingredients, and it is also good for anti-aging. The serum is formulated with 49% centella extract to effectively smooth and calm irritated or troubled skin. Getting the name tiger grass from the legend where tigers would roll around in the plant after a battle in an effort to soothe their wounds. The serum contains a peptide composed of amino acid that make up protein, which helps to increase skin regeneration, improves wrinkles, and enhances skin elasticity so skin looks more radiant. There is panthenol, an active ingredient good for sensitive skin. When absorbed into the body, panthenol becomes vitamin B. It soothes and restores tired skin and strengthens the skin barrier, calming redness on sensitive skin. Then I apply the ÍUNIK Centella Calming Gel Cream. The moisturizer contains 70% centella and 10% tea tree water, formulated to calm and hydrate troubled skin, as well as reduce irritation, redness, and treat blemishes, acne, and inflammation. There is also niacinamide that helps brighten skin tone and combat the early signs of aging. I think the moisturizer works well for oily and combination skin types. It is soothing and refreshing because of the gel texture, and it is lightweight with no greasy residue. This is a good product for sensitive skin because the centella has antioxidant properties that soothe stressed and irritated skin. I reach for this product mainly on hot summer days as the centella acts as an extra layer to protect the skin barrier from sun damage. And lastly, I use the COSRX Aloe Soothing Sun Cream. The COSRX sun cream is a physical and chemical sunscreen, offering UVA and UVB protection while also moisturizing the skin with aloe leaf extract. UV radiation is present every day of the year. We need to protect our skin daily from damaging UV rays by making sure sunscreen is a part of every skincare routine. UVB rays cause sunburns, but UVA rays can penetrate into the deeper layer of our skin, creating sun damage and aging. And that is why you need a sunscreen that offers both forms of protection. I like this sunscreen because it is lightweight and does not make my skin feel greasy or give me a white cast after I use it. And the aloe gives long-lasting moisture and hydration to leave skin smooth and refreshed. I am comfortable enough to wear this sunscreen every day. I haven't experienced any skin irritation or acne breakouts from this product. And so that is the end of the routine. The I'm From Honey Mask and the Purito Centella Green Level Buffet Serum are recent additions and have made it into my currently loving list. Watch my top 10k beauty list to find out more. When my skin is feeling stressed and needs to reset, I like to take time to give it more nutrients. That is why I reach for products that have a variety of superstar ingredients such as Snail, honey, Centella and Aloe. These products are minimal yet effective. All products are listed in the description box available on YesStyle. Use my YesStyle code and link to get 5 to 10% off your purchases. If you have any questions or suggestions for routines you'd like to see in the future, leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you know when I post. Bye!